so we're going to make this jellyfish. I'm using velvet luxe, well, a mixture of velvet luxe and velvet chenille yarn, and 4mm crochet hook. We're also going to need some stitch markers and tapestry needle and your scissors as all of yarn. So we're going to make a loop like this. So just lay it flat and then hook it over like that. So one more time, just hook it over. I'm going to pop the crochet hook into the top. Hold it together at the bottom. And then we're going to yarn over and pull through. So it makes a little loop. Yarn over and then pull through the little loop. And this is the magic ring. So we're going to put our stitches into this gap here. Okay, so we need to make 6 single crochets, so yarn over and pull up the yarn over again and then pull through both loops. So that's our first single crochet. We need to do 5 more. So yarn over, pull up to 2 loops, yarn over and pull through both, single crochet 2, and we need to make 6 in total. So we've got 6 single crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're going to be able to close the magic ring now. So if we pull this end, kind of hold it together, and keep pulling until it's fully closed basically. Okay, so we need to slip stitch to finish the first row, and then we can bring in row 2. So in row 2 we're doing 2 single crochets into each stitch. So we'll go from 6 stitches to 12 stitches. So this is an increasing round, so we should go from 6 stitches to 12 stitches. Let's double check. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12. Perfect. So pop off the stitch marker to begin the next row. So row 3, we need to do 2 single crochets into the next stitch. That's into this stitch here. Pop a crochet hook in, yarn over. That's our first single crochet. And again into the same stitch. So that's 2 single crochets into the next stitch, and then 1 single crochet into the following. And we're going to repeat that all the way around. So 2 into the next stitch, and then 1 into the following, two again into the same stitch, Perfect. So we should have 18 stitches. 4. Pop off stitch marker, and then we're going again into the next stitch. So 2 single crochets into the next stitch. Don't forget to mark out your first single crochet so we don't get lost in the pattern. So 2 single crochets into the first stitch, and then 1 single crochet, and then 1 single crochet again into the following, and then we're going to repeat that all the way around. So 2 into the next stitch, 1 single crochet into the following, and 1 single crochet into the following again. So we are still increasing at the moment, so we should go from 18 to 24 in this round. Off stitch marker to put in row 5. So single crochet into the next stitch. So that's the first stitch of the round. Mark it off before we forget. Okay, so for row 5 we're going to do 2 single crochet into the first stitch, and then 1 single crochet into the following, or into the 1 single crochet into each of the next 3 stitches. So if you put it apart you can just double check. So you've got 2 which into the first stitch, 1 into the next, another single crochet, another single crochet. So that's 2 single crochet into 1 stitch, and then one single crochet into each of the next 3 stitches. So we're going to repeat this all the way around. So 2 single crochets into the next stitch, and then 3 single crochets. So 1 in the next stitch, 2 in the next stitch, 3 in the next stitch, and then we can do our increasing stitch. So 2 single crochets into the following, so that's in the same stitch, and then 1 single crochet into the next, 1 single crochet into the next again, 1 single crochet into the next for the last time, and then back to the start. So 2 single crochet into the following. So this is another increasing round, so 24 stitches to 30. Let me just repeat that all the way around. double check. Single crochet into the next stitch and then 1 single crochet into the next 4 stitches. So just increasing by 1 on the last time. So into the first stitch, we're doing 2 single crochets. That's 1, and then again into the same stitch, 2. Mark out your first stitch. And then 1 single crochet into the next 4 stitches. So that's the first, second, third, and fourth. And then again 2 into the next stitch. Now you can kind of see it's kind of taking shape a bit now. Again 2 into 1. And single crochet into the next 4 stitches. So in this round, we should be going from 30 to 36 stitches. Row 7. So this is the last row of the same kind of patterns. We're going to be doing 2 single crochets into the next stitch and then 1 single crochet into the next 5 stitches and repeat it all the way around. So we'll be going from 36 stitches to 42.